going to start with 1 cup of oats. Add in a half a cup of peanut butter or any other nut butter, 1/4 cup of ground flaxseed, 1/4 of a cup of honey, half a cup of chocolate chips, and a 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. We're going to need a spatula and our measuring cups, including a 1 cup, a half a cup, and a 1/4 cup, as well as a 1/4 teaspoon, and of course we can't forget the mixing bowl. Now we're just going to add in all of the ingredients to our mixing bowl and stir it up really well until it's nice and mixed. So next we're just going to take a spoon and we're going to roll them into little balls about the size of a quarter. Keep rolling until all of your dough is gone.